Have you ever dreamt of stepping into a painting? In Van Gogh's immersive experience, I have felt that today.
The exhibition gives you the feeling of literally being inside the painting of Van Gogh.
So guys, today I am at Van Gogh.
The immersive experience features a one-of-kind virtual reality interactive which guides you on an amazing journey through a day in the life of the artist. Walk alongside Van Gogh during this peaceful, visually rich journey to discover the inspiration behind 8 of his iconic works. Born on 30th of March 1853, Van Gogh was the eldest of the 6 children of a Protestant pastor, generally considered as one of the greatest painters of all time. The striking color, emphatic brushwork, and contoured form of his work powerfully influenced the expressionism in modern art. Here you can meet the artist like never before. Van Gogh The Immersive Experience is a 20,000 square foot light and sound spectacular featuring 2-story projections of the artist's most compelling works. He was born in the Netherlands, lived in Belgium and ended in the south of France, where he died in year 1890 by his own hands. During his time in Arles, he produced Starry Night and Bedroom in Arles. In another room, his paintings are recreated in 3D and you get to see a recreation of his bedroom in a mental asylum. You can even try your hand at drawing. Van Gogh templates are supplied with crayons or color pencils for you to create your own artwork. The highlight of the exhibition is the virtual reality experience that takes you on a journey around Arles. Showing the various inspirations of his masterpieces, it is unbelievably realistic. And seeing the vibrant colors and the world through Van Gogh's eyes is an awesome experience, which I had never tried before. Is outstanding. This is the unique way to experience some of the amazing work by Van Gogh. Here, encounter the brilliance of one of history's greatest artists in 360 degrees. This rich content is suitable for a wide audience, including families, schools, groups, couples, and the seniors. And the VR experience,
Which is so incredible. I'm blown away with this amazing art.
in another room, his paintings are recreated in 3D. The projection on the wall and ceiling are full of color and life. Van Gogh's art became astonishingly popular after his death, especially in the late 20th century, when his work sold for record-breaking sums at auctions around the world and was featured in blockbuster touring exhibitions. His work exerted a powerful influence on the development of much modern paintings, in part because of his expensive published letters. The 360-degree, almost holographic projection of his chaotic life that changed in time with Vivaldi's Four Seasons, and you get to watch from a deck chair. A real credit goes to the lighting and sound engineers. Well done, guys.
I highly recommend you guys to come and visit this immersive experience once in your life. If you like this video, please follow me on Kite Today.